So this is the episode of whooping up on my wife and bowling. I don't know what I should name this vlog. You know, it's a date, but I did a lot of whooping. You know, a lot of whooping on the lanes, on those bowling lanes. We had a good time. We went to Keke's Breakfast Cafe, and then we went to King's Entertainment. There's a lot of different things you can do. Like I said, you can shoot pool, you can play, some arcade games. They have shuffleboard, foosball. They have a restaurant there as well. While you're bowling, you can also order food and drinks. And it's just an overall really good experience. All right, so throughout this whole menu that you see, there's one key type of food that's missing from there. And Keke, if you're watching, you need to add chicken and waffles to your menu. Like, they can do the chicken and waffles, but it's like a separate waffle and then a lightly breaded chicken tender. No. Keke, you have to do the regular chicken and waffles. Deep fry that chicken, put it on top of the waffle with some syrup or the syrup on the side. You gotta add it to the menu because your menu looks really, really good. You gotta add the chicken and waffles. I'm telling you, that would be a big time addition to your menu. All right, so we finally got our food. Looks pretty good. As you can see right here. Close in a little bit. Woo. Got the home fries and the bacon. Got the omelet over here. I got the stuffed cinnamon apple with cream cheese, French toast. You have and the wife has the Western omelet. So we're gonna see how good it tastes, and we'll be back.
With the same.
All right. Let me show you. Waffle. Oh, it's falling apart. The cinnamon apples just falling apart. The home fries is on point. The sweet tea is on point. Last but not least, the bacon. Good. Thank you.
Get you another sweet tea?
Yes. The food's good. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal. See you at the next stop. Right. All right. So the next stop is King's Dining and Entertainment. We're about to go bowling again because this one right here wants to get her revenge on from her loss yesterday. You know, ladies and gents, she did not win. The game ended.
Crazy. That's crazy because yesterday you was like, oh yeah, I'll admit that you won. So now you switching it up.
But as you see, they have outdoor seating, some games out here. They do have a restaurant, and so we're about to go inside. Oh, now here's where I have to take over. When you enter, they have a wall of fame, and we're just checking out all of the different famous people that has been to King's Dining and Entertainment. That's Jimmy Fallon in the red. I was trying to figure out who that was, and my wife was able to help me out in regards to that. And then there's a photo right to the left, which you'll see coming up. Right there. That is the guy who's always in Adam Sandler's movies. That's a picture of Doc Rivers. That's Philadelphia 76ers head coach. And like I said, just checking out some more. That's Ray Allen. And then we're going to check out Neo. So all these famous people on the wall has been to this establishment. And as you enter, you can see that there's bowling lanes to the left, your check-in area in front of you. To the right is the restaurant. And then you'll see me pointing towards the back. You'll see there's a bar area. There's video, arcade games, pool tables, foosball, all in this area. So it's a really nice place. All right, cool. So it's only $17 per person, includes the shoes. It's an hour, and we can add time by telling our waiter. So we're about to head over. Oh, they give us socks. We didn't have any socks, but they give us socks right here. Socks.
Sir, 7.
But
7.
let's see how it is. All right, first update. I got 78 to have 36. What'd you say?
Really?
Oh, yeah. Yep. That's how it's going.
I had to warm up. I had to find the right ball.
Oh, okay, got you. That's the defeated thing.
No, it's not.
That's me, 104. It's okay. It's all right. We'll see what game 2 has in store for us. All right, so let me show you the menu for King's Diner Entertainment. So the wife got the full house. I got a mojito, but here are some other cocktails that they have. They got a parties of 4, so king size. Wine, cold beer. You can scan your the QR code and be able to pull this up. And then on the other side, they have shareable appetizers, pizzas, tacos, wings, salads, burgers, sandwiches, fries. All right here. And that's the full flush. This is my mojito. Strawberry mojito. All right, the score's getting a little bit better. You know, we're gonna do play-by-play. You know, 16 to 18, she's ahead of me by 2. We'll see how the rest of the game goes. All right, let's see what she's gonna do. It's 130 to 91. Last frame.
It is a lot closer.
Last frame. You gotta get this spare. You gotta try to get a spare and a straight. Let's see. Ooh. The final score is 130 to 100. King is up 2-0. Third game, similar tune. Similar tune. See the sweat right here? That's because I'm whooping some butt. This one right here.
Just go.
Oh, you want one more game?
Might as well.
Okay, we're gonna get one more game. All right, so while waiting, I got a mango mojito and what's that? Pineapple? A pineapple flush. So same drinks, but different flavors. This is good. This is really good. Way better drinks than main event.
Yeah.
Way better. We got to test out their wings because the wings at main event was pretty good. So we'll see. All right, guys. So I had to stop the video because the music in the background. But here I'm just describing, you know, how the wings taste. Oh, and do you check that out, guys? Look at the guest shirt looking fire. But anyway, the wings at King's Bowling Entertainment was very subpar. So as you see right here, I'm just kind of describing how the wings are. And yeah. And the day before we had went to main event wings, which is nearby to this location, was a lot better. But the wings here it didn't have a lot of flavor. And they didn't use any seasonings. It's like they just took the chicken wings out of the pack, rinsed it off, and then put it into the oven or wherever, or they fried it and didn't put any type of seasonings on it. So Kings, you got to do better than that. You definitely got to put some seasoning on there. You know, especially with us, you know, black people, you know, we like a little seasoning. You know, everybody like a little seasoning, but we really like some seasoning on our wings. So, but besides that, the location is perfect. It's on International Drive. Inside, the ambiance is really nice. It's really dope. You know, the place is clean. It has a restaurant connected to it. They have pool tables. They have arcade games. They have foosball. You know, the venue is really, really nice. Nice bar. The staff there were really, really nice. And we really didn't have any complaints about that. So, you know, we was just enjoying ourselves. And the bartender was really good. And we would definitely go back there. Next time when we go bowling, we're definitely going to go back there. I mean, they even have an area where there's like a barroom ball. It looks like they can have right there. I'm showing everyone, you know, the area. And it's just a really nice spot. We went on a Sunday. It wasn't a lot of people. It was like early in the afternoon. All right, another thing. This King's Entertainment is right over where Icon Park is. And as you see, these people are crazy. Look how they're going. But yeah, entertainment section over here by International Drive. Back home, guys. We had a good time. Let's see the recap. We went to Keke's Breakfast Cafe. The food was pretty good. What you think about the food? The food was pretty good.
It was a W. I liked it. It was alright.
It was cool. It was cool. It was cool. It was good. I would say it's good. I'm not saying it's over the top. Would I go back there again for breakfast? Probably, yeah. I probably would try, you know, something else there for breakfast. But is it something that say, oh my goodness, you definitely have to try it out? I would say try it out, you know, but it's not something that I would put as like the top places. Sorry, that's my door. I wouldn't say it's the top places for breakfast, in my opinion. So this is our first breakfast brunch spot we've been to since we moved to the Orlando area. And so there's a couple of the places. I want to try out this place called Maple Biscuit. It seems like it has pretty good reviews. I think that's in the Celebration area. So that's going to be probably our next time that we actually go out and get brunch, whether it's with our kids or just me and my wife. We'll probably go there. Also want to check out First Watch. I know that's a chain breakfast spot or brunch place, but I've heard some pretty good things about their menu as well. And then, of course, want to try out some other local places for breakfast and brunch. And then we went to King's Entertainment. That's definitely, I'm not going to lie, that particular place, we would definitely go back there. The service was really good. The bartender was nice. The drinks were good. They were strong. The place seemed clean. There's a lot of different things you can do. Like I said, you can shoot pool. You can play, some arcade games. They have shuffleboard, foosball. They have a restaurant there as well. While you're bowling, you can also order food and drinks. And it's just an overall really good experience. what I suggest is that if you go to King's Entertainment, go to their website and reserve your lane. Now, we went on a Saturday, kind of like around 2:15, 2:20. It wasn't a lot of people, but as time progressed, more people started to come in. So I would suggest that you reserve a lane. So, but other than that, what else did we do? I think that was it. Oh, the food there, we had our chicken wings. Chicken wings was not good. Yeah, they were lacking. They were definitely lacking. So I don't know how the rest of the food is, but if the rest of the food is like the chicken wings, then I probably would not try the rest of their food because it will be bland. Because the chicken wings were bland. Crispy, but bland. But another successful, you know, I don't know why this one. She's just yelling. But make sure you guys, this is a quick little vlog. Make sure that you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And Maya, show them your pretzel. Hold on. Before I end, you know, gotta
I'm a smiley pretzel. Look, Mommy, so pretty.
This is something that we got from Walmart. It's like this.
Hello, hi.
Hi.
Do not get it for your kids. It's messy.
It's not that messy. How a 14-year-old going to tell us?
I'm not telling you. I'm telling them.
This is what it is. If you get it at Walmart, it's only $5. And it's this crackle foam. And what's like 4 or 5 that came in one pack?
Green, no, it's 4. Green, orange, pink, and then like there's one yellow color right here.
Oh, okay, cool. But yeah,
Purple too.
so it's not something that you eat, but it's like this gooey, stretchy thing that you can. So, like I said, Zuru Oosh Crackle Foam, $5 from Walmart. But other than that, guys, I will see you again. My next vlog will be City Walk. So sometime my next video or so. So make sure you stay tuned. That's why you gotta hit that notifications bell, because if you don't hit that notifications bell, you're not gonna know when I'm going to post these awesome vlogs. And you wanna make sure that you follow me, Mike the Travel Lover, because I'm gonna continue to bring you great content, down to earth content, you know, and then I cannot wait to start back my live videos when it comes to interviews and podcasts and things like that. That will be coming soon once I get settled and set everything up. But thank you for watching. Much love to everyone and have a wonderful weekend. And that's why I am Mike the Travel Lover.